This is Yousuf. Today I will explain about SQL select query. As I mentioned before, each table in this database considered to be a sheet in Excel file. So this is to simplify the data stored in DB. But actually we can manipulate, you can combine multiple sheets easily within the database compared to an Excel file. For a basic command query command, select command, I have like 5 different combination of select. But first, remember to press this one, to write this one, to run this one at the first, because maybe after running again the MySQL workbench, you have to use this command. You have to specify the DB you are working now. If you named your DB another one, you can use it. You use classic models. Okay, this is our DB from the left side in schemas. Okay, I have run it, done classic models. Okay, there is some mistake, classic models. Okay, now I am using, this is the check use classic models. Okay, now I am in my DB. I can refer now to the tables, to the views, store procedure within this DB. Without specifying, I have to specify classic models.customers. This is another way to run the command. Okay, but to make it easy, I can refer to the table directly. So this command simply will display all details I have in this table. I have this number of columns. Okay, I have customer name, I have customer number, last name, first name, phone, address, city, blah blah blah, until I have credit limit. This star means each columns, each details in this table I have to query it and bring it to as a result. Okay, so simply bring all details for you. But if you want only customer number and customer name and contact only فقط, or with the phone, only want these details, you don't need to bring all columns. That will need more memory to store it in your system. So basically just bring customer number, customer name and phone number. You can use this query. You have to specify the column's name exactly as they are in the DB. Okay, then run it. You're only now getting these details: customer number, customer name and phone number. You can switch the order. It's not big a deal. If you want phone number from the beginning, you can do it. Okay, you don't have to specify the order for that columns. The rule is it must be there in the table. Okay, but if you want only, if your system is sending to all customers, he need only the phone number. You don't have to bring all details or another detail for you. So you can specify only one column and you will get it. Okay, so now this is all the phone numbers for our from our customers table. The fourth form, if you have, okay, let's replace this country. Okay, run it. Now Australia, France. See, USA is duplicated. If you want to get the unique list for this table, the country unique list from this table, you can use it here. You can say select distinct country from customer. This will give you the unique list of countries in this customer table. Just run it. You now have, okay, you have this much of countries. So now when the e-commerce want to say I have this customer from this number of country, I have 1000 customer from only 2 country or 10 country. Okay, we can use this one. Also we can use the special functions written within SQL. We can append it to the select. Okay, so now I am selecting, okay, the count of unique country from this table. This it will be, let's see, now I have only 27 unique country in our table. If I want to get the count of our records in DB, in our rows in DB, we have 122 different customers in our DB. If I want to get the count for this phone number, so the unique number of our phone, it will be 121 also. That's mean two customers have the same number. Okay, so this is basically the select. I can write a lot of things with this one. Okay, if I want to get the unique list of state with country from customers, I can write it like this. Okay, maybe there is a small mistake on it. Okay, now we have like that. France, we don't have the state. In USA, I have it. Okay, let's see the count for this count. Let's see the count of unique list. Okay, now we have 18 only. That's because of something I will explain it later, but now you have a good experience with select query. You can query all the columns, you can query specific columns, you can query one columns, you can get the unique list of one column, the unique values of that column. You can use a special and ready-made select queries, select functions in the DB. We have count, we have sum, we have okay, let's see. Okay, this is extra thing. Select average from credit limit from customers. Let's see what's the average of credit limit. This one, 67659. If we get the sum, okay, max, we can use max. The max, this one. The minimum, we can get the minimum. Okay, that's 0. Okay, so I can do a filtering, but I will explain it later. No issue. But now you are a master in select query. Thanks everyone. I hope you subscribe to the channel and like this video, and leave a good comment in the comment section. Thank you. I will continue producing and waiting for your feedback. Thanks.